Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cordless stick water transfer pump. So this is great. So if you need to move water from one place to another, this will do it for you without having the hand pump or anything else. If I wanted to take the water out of my hot tub and squirt it into my pool, I could just go ahead and turn it on and it'll just shoot it out like that. It's pumping out a lot of water. If you have like a 55-gallon drum, you need to put it in there, you can do that. It comes with a bunch of attachments so you can screw on to make a hose attachment and other things like that. If you wanted to have, I can do this here, this little one here, you know, you have the quick connect to your hose, and it even comes with a big hose here, so I can, well, comes with a little hose kit, so you can kind of make it yourself. So you got to put this around here. That, and then this will go inside of there, and then I can screw it back on. Right. Am I screwing on the right? Yeah. So then I can screw this on. So just showing you how to make a hose. If you've never done one of these before, they're kind of cool. I don't know why it's not gripping very well. Okay. And then it'll just snap into there. Now when I turn it on, I can get distance on it. I obviously didn't get it screwed on very tight, but you get the idea. It will do what it needs to do. And then you got the quick connect and take it off. That'll shoot far. So pretty cool. Neat little setup there. Let me turn it off. Ooh, I just sprayed everything. But yeah, so you can see, you could make a hose and do it that way, or you could probably, it's like this is just a standard hose, you can just hook up any hose onto it and you're good to go. So really cool, neat little setup. Thumbs up for sure.